The Lok Sabha has given its approval to the statutory resolution regarding the extension of President's rule in Manipur for a further period of 6 months with effect from 13th of August 2025. Minister of State for Home Affairs Nityanand Rai moved the resolution seeking approval of the House for the extension of President's rule which was imposed in Manipur on 13 February 2025. Replying to a discussion on the resolution, Mr. Nityanand Rai said that it is imperative to extend the President's rule to maintain peace and normalcy in the state. He said, only one incident of violence took place in which one person lost his life since the imposition of President rule. He added that not a single person lost life in the last 4 months in the state. The minister said, several steps have been taken for the development of the northeastern state under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He said, the Prime Minister visited more than 78 times to northeastern states in the last 1 decade. He said, significant reduction in incidents of violence have been reported under the NDA regime as compared to the UPA rule. The minister highlighted that efforts are being made to bring peace and normalcy in Manipur by establishing a dialogue process. Earlier, initiating the discussion, Anto Antony of Congress raised the issue of law and order situation in the state, alleging that there is a complete collapse of governance. Lalji Verma of Samajwadi Party accused the centre of failing in restoring normalcy in the state after imposing President rule. Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akoijam of Congress accused that the federal system has been subverted in the state. He said, Article 356 is supposed to be used in the rarest of rare moments. Lavu Sri Krishna Devrailu of TDP supported the extension of the President's rule in Manipur. After completing the business, the lower house was adjourned for the day.
News Inc.
Your voice in the ink of truth.